Yo, YouTube, the name is Smiley Vibes, and I'm back again in town, man. Yeah. So today is Sunday, and I just arrived in Tadi, yeah. So the program went well, everything was smooth. All those who were supposed to be available were there, so everything went on great. You know, I think the time we were going, I thought we would be late because the program was supposed to start at 11 o'clock, and by 11 o'clock we were still in the bus. So I thought by the time you get there, the program would be finished, like everything will be done. But unfortunately, the time you got there, the program has not even started. Yeah, you know, Ghana Man time, GMT. So the program started around 1 o'clock, 12:30. So we were so lucky that we came before they started the program. Wow, I'm really tired because of this place. So I've arrived and I have to go home. I'm even going home. I have to edit all the videos because wow, I feel home, I feel home. So I have to edit all the videos, then I post it because I was supposed to post one video on Friday, but I left my hard disk at home, so I couldn't post the video. So I'm going to post this video. I'm going to post that video, then I start arranging the videos, you know. So let's start the week again. Ohoya City. Home sweet home, yeah. What's good YouTube? The name is Smiley Vice, as you already know, and you're back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today's video is going to be normal as usual, how we used to do it. So we don't trade on Mondays, so today is Tuesday, and today being Tuesday, I'll be looking for trade on gold and also as well as GBP JPY. If I get no trade, if I get no setup, I'm not going to trade for today. Yeah, so that's my rule. I don't trade on Mondays. If I don't find my setup, I don't trade. Yeah. So today's program is going to be, I'll be going to campus, and after campus I think I'll be going to town, then I'll go back to shop, then I come home and edit this video, then post it. And you see, now I have a lot of things to do. So I have a lot of things to do, and me having a lot of things to do, I have to stay active, I have to stay productive. And me working my 9 to 5 job, sometimes it's a bit difficult for me to schedule my time because a lot of time I have to be at the workplace. And me being at the workplace, I can't vlog videos like this. I can only vlog short videos, you know, and just edit my videos there. And even if you are editing the videos at the shop, someone will come and buy, you stop, you have to save the person like a whole lot, and even you'll be bored as well. If you are in the house, you feel more comfortable than you sitting outside, even at the store, at your workplace, and trying to do something different. You know, people see you different from others, and you doing something that others are not doing. Sometimes it's a bit weird for us because yeah. So the daily routine is going to be simple, and as I already told you, so I'm going to show you my chart. And on Wednesday we have NFA, and on Wednesday we have CPI. So CPI news will be coming on Wednesday 12:30 p.m. so in the afternoon. Yeah, I don't know the time in your country, but in my country it's 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, so stay tuned and use good risk management, follow your trading rules, don't break your trading rules, be patient, be consistent, and just do what you are supposed to do. Yeah, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to comment down below. You doing all these things is going to help the community a lot. It's going to help build this community. And if you want to join any free Telegram trading group or trading signal group, you can join my free Telegram channel. There will be a link in the description below. You just have to click on the link. I have two links there. One is WhatsApp group and one is Telegram group. And I only focus on the Telegram group. So if you want to join for the free signals, you have to join on the Telegram free group. So I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can join and we build this community up. And about my $10 challenge that I was trying to accomplish, I was trying to challenge myself on growing a $10 account within 1 month, not but unfortunately I blew the account during the NFP news section. So on Friday, I was not following my rules. That was the mistake that I was doing. I was not following my rules. I was not following my trading plan. I overtraded, and that got me out of the market because I was supposed to pick 2 trades a day, and that 2 trades a day, I took that 2 trades during the midnight section. So I shouldn't have picked any trade again, but that trade went into losses, so I closed out all that trade. So I was supposed to be done for the day. So during the NFP news, I decided to pick another trade because I thought price has got into my zone. I knew price got into my zone and my level, so I have to pick my trade. So I was in for a buy. I was going in for a buy on gold. So I overtraded on that trade. I overtraded on that trade. As you can see, I have the trade here. And if you have not watched the NFP video, you can just go back to my channel. You have the NFP video there. You can watch it and you can see how it turned out. Yeah. So that was my mistake. So now I have all my mistakes written down, and I also have it at the back of my phone. And me keeping it at the back of my phone is going to help a lot because usually we used to use our phone most of the time. So anytime I pick my phone and I just turn the back, I have my trading rules there. I can read it, sticks in my brain, and still keep on doing it. So even if I'm not using my phone, I know I have everything in my mind that today on Mondays I don't trade. I don't have to overtrade. I have to pick only 2 trades a day. So everything will be stuck in my head, and I can also, even you can also write something on a sheet of paper, like you have something like this, then you write it on it, then you put it at the back of your phone case. I'm using the transparent phone case, so I can easily put it there and I can see through that phone case. But if you're using something like this, then I don't think it's necessary for you to write it. But it's better you get the transparent one, then you put it at the back. Yeah. Yeah. So let's head on the road. Let me show you my chart now. Let me turn on my TV. Yeah. So this is my gold chart right here. So yesterday, this is what I was looking for. Is that I was waiting for price to take out this lows over here, but price never took out this low. We had a fair value gap over here, so I took an entry from this fair value gap here, and I was not using my account. I was using my Forex account to trade, so we got some profit. So this morning I closed out my trade around this section, around this area over here, because even if I don't see price to be bearish, we have a high over here. Price broke this high over here, created a fair value gap. We have an order block over here. Price came back to test it. So it could be price will be going up. It could be price going to break out this low. Then we head to the downside. So I'm out of the trade, but I have this marked on my chart. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on this trade. By the close of the day, you are going to see the results, and by the close of the day, you are going to see the results. You are going to know what's happened during the section. And this is my free Telegram channel. This is my free Telegram channel over here. So if you want to join, you can join this free Telegram channel. You'll be making trades, you'll be winning some trades. It's free. You can join for free. We've been killing it so far. We've been killing it so far. Everything's been going smoothly. So if you want to join my free Telegram channel, there'll be a link in the description. You can join using that link. Let's get ready. Let's go to campus. Was good YouTube. Yeah, so we're back again. So yesterday was our trading day, but yesterday we took no trade. Yesterday I got no opportunity in the market to pick my trade. So today being new day, today being Wednesday, so today is CPI. So CPI will be dropping today, I think around 12:30 afternoon. CPI will be dropping, so I'll be picking my trade today. About my $10 account, I blew that $10 account during the NFP section. Yeah, so I'm going to make a new deposit, a new $10 deposit, and start trading again. And you know, I got to know my mistakes about that $10 challenge when I was trading with that $10 account. So I've written down all my mistakes. So I'm not going to repeat that mistakes again. So if you are trading and you get to find your mistakes, you just have to write it down. You don't have to repeat the same mistake again, because if you keep on repeating the same mistake again, then you are still going to move back. It's like you are moving 2 steps and moving 3 steps back. Yeah, so that will be the case. So today being CPI is going to be, I don't want to be so happy about CPI, because I was so happy about NFP, and at the end I blew my account. So I don't want to be so happy about this CPI news. So I'm just going to stay cool, I'm just going to stay chill and see what price is going to do. I'm going to get my setup this morning, and I did one mistake yesterday. I forgot my router at my auntie's house. So yesterday I was not feeling well, my head was aching me, my head was really paining me. I was also feeling cold, so I decided to go and sleep at her place. Yeah, so when I went there, I slept. I left my phones and my routers on the floor. But me leaving, I forgot to pick my router, because the moment I started picking my phones, I placed all my phones in my bag, but I forgot I was holding router because I forgot. Yeah, so I'll go and pick that router. I'll go and pick that router. I have a video to post. I'll post that video right this morning. After posting that video right this morning, I'm going to look at my chart and see what I got for the day and what I got for the week. So I'm going to start the challenge again. I'm going to start all over again from zero. As you can see, I'm going to start from 0 to a month. I think now we have about 25 days more. We can still complete this challenge to know how much we've gained so far, and even if you can gain some amount this month, following months I'm going to do the same and see how much I'm going to gain on that account too. Yeah, so you have to stay tuned, tighten your seatbelt, and let's roll. Yeah, so this guy told us that the time he started trading, he had someone from the Wall Street. Yeah, so he contacted this person, and this person told him he would teach him how to trade, on how banks used to trade, how industries used to trade. Yeah, so he paid about $5,000. Then the man started teaching him. So he was there telling us some secrets about how banks used to trade and other stuff. So I'll be posting the video. I'll just do it a single video, about 7 minutes video. So I'll be posting that video. So if you have not watched that video yet, try and watch that video. I know that video is not yet out, but I'll be posting it soon. So by the time you are going to see this video, that video will be out there. Yeah, so try your best as much as possible to watch the full video, and I think you're going to get something important from that video, because I got something important from that video, and something that people use years to know. I think I used about less than 30 minutes to get the information for you guys, and I have all the information written down, and all what he said was, I don't know if it was true, but it makes sense to me. Yeah, it really makes sense to me, and I think if you start trading that way, most of us are going to be profitable, because some people sell at high and buy at low. But he was trying to tell us that banks don't do that. Banks don't even use trend lines. Banks don't even use indicators. They don't even use Bollinger Bands. They don't even use Fibonacci tools and other stuff. They just buy at low and sell at high. That's what the banks do. So if you can guess where the high is and you sell from that place, and if you can guess where the low is, and if you if you buy from that place, it's going to really help. Though it's the same as supply and demand, you know. Yeah, so I'll be posting the video will be out there. You have to go and check it out. So my hands. Yeah, let's hit on the road. My hands is fading. I don't know why. If I hold the camera like this, my hand starts to pain me. So I'm going to end the video here for today. Yo, muchachos. Yeah. So yesterday was CPI, and we totally killed it on CPI. So you know, I told you guys that NFP did not really move, or NFP was not that volatile, but on CPI we are going to kill it on CPI. So we lost on NFP, but we made it on CPI. Yes, but we made it. We didn't make much, but we made it on CPI. Yeah. So yesterday was CPI news. It was around 12:30. Yesterday, did you know what I was doing? Yesterday I was in this Telegram group, and that person is from Nigeria, so that person's time is different from my time here, like the Ghana time. So that person was posting 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m. for CPI, and I've already checked the time on CPI. The CPI news was supposed to be in 12:30. So because I saw that 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m., I went back to my group and told them that, yeah, sorry for the mistake, but rather CPI is going to be 1:30. So all my focus was on 1:30, 1:30, 1:30. But I've already placed my trade. My trade was already placed because I was fully in for a buy, because for what I was looking on my chart, I got to know that, yeah, price is bullish on CPI. Even not on CPI, but price is bullish because how price was moving. So I was there. I don't even know that CPI has already been hit. Like CPI has already started. CPI is moving. So I was there. I got a call from my friend. Yeah, we to close the trade. The trade is running low. We to close. I said, what? So I quickly turned on my data. I went to say, wow, price is really moving. Yeah, so I was up. And yesterday I made a deposit. I told you guys I'll be making a deposit, the $10 deposit. We lost the previous one, but I told you guys I'll be making new ones. So yesterday I did a deposit before the NFP news, and you know, we lost that account. What do you think we did this one? We grew the account. Yeah, so we grew the account from $10 to $99. I think almost 90%, like 90% reward. You know, it was supposed to be 1%, but because of CPI, and because of some things that I was looking inside the market, some things that I was watching out for, all the things that I was looking out for happened in the market. So I was supposed to pick my trade. I was supposed to sometimes enter the trade and exit early. I was not scalping, but that's how I was supposed to trade during yesterday. Yeah, so I think we made $80 something yesterday, and that's really cool. And so today being a fresh day, we have news, but I'm not sure news will be all that volatile. So I'll be showing you my chart. Although I did not get everything on camera, but still I have something to show you. I have the previous chart, and I was using this chart, right? I have two accounts on TradingView, so sometimes what I'm looking on my other phone is different from what I'm looking on this phone, and sometimes I can get two buys at the same time, and it guarantees me that, yeah, it's correct. Sometimes two is wrong. Sometimes I can have a buy on this channel, sometimes I want to have a setup on this, and I'm trading the same pair as well. I'm trading gold, and gold I have it 2 on my watch list. I have gold 1 and gold 2. So I have a different strategy for gold 1, I have a different strategy for gold 2. So if I don't get a strategy, or if I don't get my trading plan on gold 1, I'll surely get a strategy on gold 2. So that's how I used to trade. Yes, you know, because I can't focus on many pairs, so that's how I feel comfortable doing. Some people are going to pick gold, GBP, USD, but me, I have 2 golds. Yeah, so I'll be showing you my chart. And I will explain why price was. I don't know why price went that direction, but because of how price was moving, I knew price was going to move in that direction. And on this phone, I was using the trend line, and the trend line really shows clearly that price is going to be bullish, because that trend line, I've already seen that trend line long time before I started trading. I saw that trend line, so immediately I saw it, I know, like, yeah, this is going to be bullish. How price is moving slowly to the upside, it means price is going to be bullish. So I was really confident in this trade, and I took the trade. I was not lagging. I did not say, okay, because I saw the trade last time, it went for buy today, maybe it's going to sell. No, because I knew what I saw and I had to do what I was supposed to do. So I did it and we made it. Yeah.